Hey folks, welcome to another video from Tired Geek. Today I wanted to talk about a little error that we've been getting in our environment when you try to edit, modify, move, or rename a file that's being synced under SharePoint or OneDrive. The error is the tag present in the reparse point buffer is invalid. A simple way to fix this, and I've done this 2 or 3 times with clients of mine, is for Windows 10 or 11, you'll go ahead and click the Start menu and just type in CMD and run that command prompt as an administrator. And then you'll need to do check chkdsk C fix repair. You'll probably get prompted that the volume is in use and that you will need to start this process after your computer restarts, and you can just go ahead and type yes. After this is done, you'll just simply right click and do a restart on your computer, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down here in the comments. Like the video and subscribe for more information. Have a great day. Bye bye.